So here we are again. Had to do a little bit extra work from the last video. What we've decided to do is just extend the dining room floors instead of leaving like the old pergo that they had down. So the next step will be to just try and cut out and then work in the new pieces of wood along the dining room floors. But the crazy part was we had about 4 layers of floors in the kitchen. They had the old linoleum, then they put something on top of that, then they had vinyl, and then they had pergo. But the real kicker was, you'll notice the difference in height between the wood floor and the kitchen. Well, that height was made up by plywood, and if you can see here, see how thick the plywood was. We had to get all that up too so we can make sure that it'll be level when we fit in the new wood floors. So we had to work all that out of there, which that took about 8 or 9 hours in total. And then you'll see we're going all the way back into the bathroom now. Behind the refrigerator was pretty awful, but we got it all up. Thanks to the Dremel Multimax tool, I was able to get underneath the cabinets really well and just kind of plunge cut, which that worked out really nice. So now today we're going to try and work in some wood floor. We also have to paint the back wall. We're going to paint this all blue, and we're going to have to sand the ceiling first because it was like a semi-gloss paint, put some primer on it, and then we'll paint the ceilings. Problem is we have to paint all the way into the living room since, as you can see, it's all one ceiling.